Abdullah bin Ubaid states that Haris bin Abdullah bin Abi Rabia led a delegation to Abdul Malik bin Marwan during his reign. Abdul Malik said to him, Abu Khubayb reports from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. Without hearing from her, Haris said, No, I myself have heard this hadith from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. Abdul Malik said, Narrate what you have heard. Haris said that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha narrated that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Your people have reduced the size of the Kaaba. If your people had not recently left infidelity, I would have rebuilt as much as they have reduced. So after me, if your people intend to rebuild it, then come on. I may show you what they have left in its construction. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then showed Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha that place, which was approximately 7 cubits. It is the report of Abdullah bin Ubaid. Walid bin Atta adds that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, I would have made 2 doors at the level with the ground in it, one in eastward direction and one in westward direction. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Do you know why your people kept its gate so high? Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says that she submitted, No. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Only for overlordship, so that only those people could enter the Kaaba whom they wish. When someone would aspire to enter the Kaaba, they would send for him, and when he would about to enter, they would push him and would fall down. Abdul Malik said to Haris, Have you yourself heard this hadith from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha? He replied, Yes. Abdul Malik continued to scratch the earth with his stick for a short while and then said, Would that I had left it as it was. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3233.